morning to you all. I am Numafung standing in front of you all to present my work on stellar evolution assigned to us by our respected science teacher Umesh sir. So, starting at first we have a stellar nebula. A stellar nebula is just a giant clouds of dust particles and gases. Now, the hydrogen present in the stellar nebula gets collected into lumps and forming a and as the high temperature and pressure gradually increases, and when the temperature reaches about 10 million degrees Celsius and high pressure and temperature causes thermonuclear fusion reaction to start forming a protostar. Now, if a protostar had less mass during its formation, then it forms an average star. But if it had more mass, then it forms a massive star. Now, going through the average star, when the thermonuclear fusion reaction kickstarts in the protostar's core, then it shines brightly in the cosmos for billions of years. Gradually, as the hydrogen decreases in the core of the average star, it becomes dimmer and more reddish. And when the hydrogen gas is exhaust in the core, then the hydrogen left in the outer shell of the star fuses together to form nuclear fusion. This causes the star's outer shell to swell up and the core shrinks. As the core expands and swells up, the core can no longer hold it, and the outer shell ejects itself, exposing the stellar core. This process is called planetary nebula. This process forms the planetary nebula. And this dead but very still hot stellar core is also known as a white dwarf. This white dwarf later on goes to lose energy and forms a black dwarf. Now, for the massive star, similarly, the hydrogen gas ceases at the core, and the hydrogen left in the outer shell causes nuclear fusion. Then, so the outer shell expands and the core shrinks, and a red supergiant is formed. It is more massive than the red giant. And when the core can no longer hold it in, the outer shell explodes, and this explosion is known as a supernova. So now, if the star was extremely massive, then it will form a black hole. A black hole is an infinitely dense heavenly body through which even light cannot escape. But if the star was a little less massive, then it would form a neutron star. Now, neutron star is something like a stellar core. If that stellar core was less massive, then the electron, and during the outer shell ejection process, then the electrons and protons would fuse together to form neutrons, forming a neutron star. Thank you.